Hey everybody, the warm weather's here and it's a great time to get out and do some gardening. But you know what? Some of the outdoors wants to come indoors, if you know what I mean. But I got something for him. This season, a lot of insects are coming into our home, including this guy. Yeah, the mukade. And when he bites, it hurts. So I'm gonna head off to the home center and I'm gonna pick up a few products which can protect our house, your house. So stick around. You don't have to stick around. You can go.
Oh yeah.
Good day! Okay, so here we are. We're at the Nishi Fukuoka Good Day Home Center. It's one of their biggest and most modern stores. And I'm sure they're gonna have all kinds of goods, things to protect my home and your home from mushi, insects, and that mukade. So let's go in and do some shopping. One thing I love about the Good Day Home Centers, the Costco corner. They have a special selection of very popular Costco goods. Things like honey. And this honey is from Canada. It comes in the bear jars. So I'm gonna get that. It's one of my favorites. This is amazing. They have also a selection of frozen goods from Canada. McCain's. These are smiles. They're called mashed potato smiles. And they have frozen pizza, American size. I'm getting hungry. They have Costco freshly baked goods as well too. Blueberry muffins, chocolate muffins, 6 for 500 yen. Now these aren't available every day or at every location, but you don't need a membership and they're often close to home. So what a deal. And now back to my main mission, getting protection from insects and that mukade. And here at Good Day, they have a wide variety of products to keep bugs out of your house. Bees and flies and spiders. But it's this section down here that I'm interested in, mukade. And for the mukade, they have traps. This trap is for inside. This kind of trap is for outside. And then they have sprays for direct action. And I'm going to pick up this one. They have, of course, powders that use outside the house. So I will get one of these as well too. And I should be fully protected from the mukade. Mosquitoes can be just as bothersome in Japan as anywhere else in the world. But fortunately, these Japanese home centers have a wide variety of products to take care of mosquitoes. These are sprays that you use inside a room. And then they have vape machines as well too. And then of course they have the mosquito coil, katari senko. And they have them in different, well, varieties, aromas. These have some nice smell to them. These ones are extra strong. But the product I really want to introduce to you is here. This is the portable katari senko. I'll tell you more about that later. You know, I love Japanese home centers because you never know what you're gonna find. They got some crazy items here. And this is a good example. This is the Mushimon. It's a high-tech fly swatter and kokiburi swatter. My wife is gonna love this. She hates touching bugs. So I've got one more way to take care of insects in your house, and it's a natural way. Check these guys out, way down here. That's right, Venus fly traps. I don't know how effective they will be, but they sure are cute. Let's give it a try. Hi everyone.
Hi.
Welcome to Good Day and Kyushu Live's Home Center Secrets. I just got back from a big shopping from Good Day Home Center.
Today?
Yeah. Do you want to see what I got?
Yes.
Okay, I thought you did.
Ta-da!
You've been waiting for this, and this is heavy. Got a big bag.
Good Day bag.
Yes, Good Day bag. And ta-da! Look what I got for you. Blueberry muffins.
Huge.
Yeah, these are Costco bakery blueberry muffins. And I gotta explain that at Good Day, at all the locations, they have a special corner of selected goods from Costco.
Oh.
Yeah, and if you're lucky, on certain days, certain times, they have some freshly baked goods as well too. Today, I was lucky, we got muffins.
人気商品だもんね。
I got something else. Honey! Honey, かわいいでしょ? Honey! This is honey from Canada.
3 bears.
Yeah, they're in bears. When I was a child in Canada, we had honey in bottles like this. But today's mission to the home center wasn't actually for food. We've had a problem around our house. Serious. 痛い目に遭いました。痛い目に遭いましたっていうか Japanese joke. I got bit by a mukade, centipede, last week.
いつも2個だけです。
Third time. And one time I actually had to go to hospital. Enough's enough. We need protection. So we went to Good Day. And they have a huge section of mukade goods.
Oh,
centipedes, yeah.
Okay. 見して見して。
All right. Number one, this is something.
Ah.
Yeah, you know, you can show.
ムカデコロリ。
ね。
お願いしたやつね。
Right. Well, we know this works really well. These are mukade traps. You set these outside, right?
この中に甘くてとろけるムカデが食べる餌が入ってます。
Yeah, so it's something sweet. It's like blueberry muffins inside here. And then I got another product that we know really works really well.
ああ。
This is a powder, mukade powder.
これはね、ここら辺に住んでる人がみんな一家に一台あるやつ。パウダー巻きますね。
A lot of our neighbors use this and swear by it. And we started using it. It works really well. And this one's a special kind, no?
そうそうそうそう、雨に強いやつ。今のシーズンに。
Yeah. Also for mukade, sometimes you actually come face to face with the critters. We got some spray.
だけど、さらに秒殺ってわかる？
No, it's chewy. Like it's strong.
すぐ固まる。
This is like the powerful stuff. これなんて言うんですか？
ムカデよけ。
ムカデよけ。
ムカデが嫌いな匂いが入っているポット。
Okay. And so it's got some type of smell in here that the mukade don't like. So they won't come near here. So
しかもよ、化学を使ってないから子供もペットも OK。
Okay, all right. So it's a non-chemical formula. So this is safe for indoor use, environments with children and pets.
一番はね、玄関に置きましょう。
So that was for mukade, but nobody likes mosquitoes. And a very favorite tool for
何それ？
ね、もうこれ蚊取り線香 Everybody knows about mosquito coils, but this is maybe a product you don't know about. A portable mosquito coil. You put this on your belt.
それ私がつけんの？
So. Yeah, it's good for when you go gardening and you want to take your mosquito coil with you. You put the coil in here, it doesn't go out. It stays lit.
熱くならない？
熱くならない. And then, also at Good Day, they have all kinds of mosquito coils. Another reason I love going to home centers is because there's always some kind of like crazy gadget. And this is for you, Emiko.
Oh, really?
You're gonna like this. The Mushimon. See? It's got a sticky paper there.
What's that?
There. It works. You got it. You got the cockroach. Well, it's not a real cockroach. And you can fold it over. You can fold it over. And
Take it.
that's my... Ew.
ここだよ。
You take this off, throw it out, and nobody has to touch the bug. I have one more thing for our household insect protection. And the next one is a very sort of, I don't know, natural. Boom! The Venus flytrap. This plant actually eats insects. So you don't have to do anything. We could get a bunch of these, put them around the house, and they're gonna catch the
まあでも
mosquitoes.
可愛い形してるね。
Yeah, a Good Day, they have a huge garden and plant section, indoor plants as well too. That's it for this episode of Good Day and Kyushu Live Home Center
Secrets.
See you next time.